All right, Happy New Year's. We're going to George Prime Steak. Check it out, let's get in. All right, let's go over the menu. It's stripped down, obviously, for New Year's. All right, little steak tartare. Looks good. All right, the New York strip. We're doing a flyby. Brussels with the bacon, mushrooms, mashed potato, and the filet mignon, brandy peppercorn, and a port au jus. Look at that. Happy New Year's, everyone.
A few more moments.
Yeah.
Wow. That's great. Thank you. All right, and we are drinking this beautiful Beaujolais for tonight. It's fantastic. All right, cheers. All right, there it is. Kind of enter at this hotel. It's kind of hard to see, but not too bad. We're gonna walk up and check out this square for New Year's here. Where's she at? There she is back there. Her furry jacket on. So yeah, not a lot of fireworks here for New Year's. We're just gonna kind of cruise through the square and walk around. A lot of police presence, which is a good thing this time of year. But thanks for tuning in to the video. We'll show you a little bit at the end. You saw it in the other videos. But anyways, happy 2025 to everyone out there. From the both of us, we'll see ya.